today we are driving to the Eurotunnel. Then we're gonna be Then we're going to like there's a little area that we can stretch our legs, and what we're gonna do is after we got off the Eurotunnel, we're gonna go to the hotel in Paris, and we're gonna we're gonna sleep there for the night, and the next day we're going to get back on the car and drive to Disneyland Paris. So we're going to drive for 3 hours, and then we're going to arrive at Disneyland Paris.
Well, we are super excited. We're staying in the Disney Cheyenne Hotel in Disneyland Paris. That is a Disney-owned hotel. We're staying for 3 nights and 4 days.
And we're going to the biggest Disney store, and we're going to have like 20 or more money to spend in the biggest Disney
store in Paris.
Yeah, store in Paris. And I'm gonna buy like the biggest Lego. I think there's like a Lego set that it's Disney and it's in Sainsbury's, and I think it's gonna release in the biggest Disney store. Yeah, and
Oscar has been to Disney World before, but he can't remember it because he was very young. He's never been to Disneyland Paris. I've been about 4 times. Last time I went was 2016, and we last went to Florida in 2018. Oscar was about 1 or 2, I think.
And then now I'm 6, finally going today.
Well,
it's exciting.
It's because of the COVID, wasn't it?
Yes.
We couldn't go. Well, Oscar is super excited, so we will see you when we are in the car to go to Disneyland Paris. So we have arrived at South Mill Service Station. We are just charging up. Oscar needed to go to the toilet, so thought we might as well get some supercharging in here. Really good service. It's charging super quickly, as the name suggests. And you just plug in and then it charges to your Tesla account. Really easy, really efficient. And we're at 87%. We got here at 70%, so better to get something in than nothing at all, as they all say. But yeah, really good. And we're really excited to get going to the Eurotunnel. We have to go through the Dartford toll.
Dartford Crossing.
Dartford Crossing. Yeah, so I'll see you all later. So a bit of an update for you guys. It is currently 12:31 and we should be there by 1:54, so about an hour and a bit. There is quite a lot of traffic. To the good old thing called Danny?
M25.
It's just so bad. There's traffic everywhere. So we're about to go over the Dartford Crossing shortly. Could probably be in about an hour, couldn't it? Going over the Dartford Crossing hopefully soon. But yeah, it's taken a bit longer than expected, which is a bit annoying, but hey ho, life is life.
So funny enough, talking about the Dartford Crossing, we've actually had some problems paying for it because their system went down. I'm currently actually on our way back now, so I don't know if that's all sorted, but hopefully it is.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old.
So we have arrived at the Eurotunnel. Bienvenue, welcome. We're going to go down the passenger traffic line. Not the freight line. We're just going to follow this through. Very quiet by the looks of it. My word. It's taken us almost 5 hours to get down here. It's taken the time that it should have taken to get to the whole way. Here we go. So now we're going to follow passenger traffic. Keep right. Welcome to there's the freight terminal. just going to follow it this way around. Oscar and Mummy are in the back. Oscar. We're just going to follow it through here, passenger traffic, and here we go. Oh my word, what's going on here? Right, well, we'll see you when we've got our sticker and we are in the terminal. We're going to take the charger out, aren't we, Oscar? Yeah. Then we just plug it to there.
We're almost out of France, guys.
Where are we, Oscar? 87%.
Yeah.
We're
So we got 87 miles until we be there, but so we're gonna arrive on the train for 30 minutes. Then we're going to then after that we're gonna be in Paris. So
we are. So
we're going underwater.
We are going underwater. Joshua, what have we had to do to get ready to go? We had to put that thing on.
Put the UK sticker on, and we've had to put the lanyard thing
And what
on.
happened when we opened our doors to the paper?
Oh, it all flew out, didn't it?
All flew out. Joshua had to go get it right. So should we go on the tunnel, boys?
Yeah!
So bye!
Look, Oski.
Look!
Get out. Oh.
Well, there is somebody behind us.
What are we doing?
You can take it off.
Why?
Because you don't need it off.
So is this a different one that the theme park worldwide would have been on then?
You can stand up with me. Look.
Here we go.
Smile, Oscar.
Why does everyone want to put Teslas
Oscar.
on? Definitely said turn your headlights off somewhere.
Yeah, we're supposed to wait here as well until they. If we can go, yeah?
Yeah.
We can go.
Oh my word.
Joshua, smile. Joshua.
Oh, Daddy. We're going?
We're going.
Yeah, we're going. Here we go. Oh.
Just have to make sure you can get through.
Seems really weird, doesn't it?
You always try and spot where the toilet is when you go through as well.
Can't see
Where
any.
to go. Yeah, straight
So
through.
I'm actually on the Eurotunnel right now, travelling from Paris back to England. We've had a lovely holiday, really, actually. But just to say something, we haven't been put on a Tesla carriage this time. We're just on a normal double-decker carriage, and it is much tighter, especially for the widest of the Tesla that it does have. And so I'm not really sure about that. I don't know if that's just in England that the Teslas have their own sort of their own way to go with the HGVs. But this side from Paris to London, Paris to England, we definitely don't.
I don't know why they want to put Teslas on a different lane. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, yeah, the guy behind hasn't got
We're
his
actually
legs.
driving quite a long way forward, aren't
Here
we?
we are.
Oh, it's all black outside.
Can't see us going in a minute, can you?
2 minutes. It looks like they're very strict though, because they do have clocks everywhere.
No. It doesn't the point. Sasha, come over here.
I'm good.
En cas d'incident détecté dans votre compartiment,
And we're moving. Oh.
suivez l'annonce d'évacuation. Des auditions du signal sonore, vous devrez gagner
Here we go, and we are going under. We're almost underground, Oscar. Here we go. So we have arrived. Here we go. Bonjour. Here we go. So we are on our hall. It's going to be a bit bumpy. Oh, it's quite the blue. The skies are really blue. The sky. Well, fantastic journey there on the Eurotunnel.
Stress-free there, isn't it?
No
Yeah.
fat at all.
Yeah,
really
no fat.
easy. And here we go. So we will be driving on the French
And I got some gin.
Yeah, he did.
French Rose now. So we'll see you later, mate. So we have arrived at Paris. We are in Calais. We're going to head off to the Ibis budget hotel now. Really easy, really cheap, everything like that. Tomorrow morning we will then be heading off to Disneyland Paris. It's about a 30-minute drive. Yep. Anyway, I will see you all later. Bye. And we are off. Here we go. Welcome to Paris.
Well, France. Welcome to, what's the crossing bit called? Calais.
Calais.
It's starting to pick us up.
Yeah, see.
Thing is, it might only be 2 hours because it might, I don't know, it might only be 3
Which one
hours.
is it? The Pom-Pom?
Yes, it's Le Pom-Pom. It's Marlival.
Well, anyway, my battery is about to die, so I will see you all later. Bye bye.